Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Leos. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Leos. So, this card is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first. We have Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, sorry guys, and Four of Cups in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Leos, you are someone who is really caring, understanding, and really protective. You are a devoted person. So, to the people around you, you are helping them out, guiding them, and you go with what you feel is right. So, you have your intuition guiding you, and you are someone who follows your heart. So in whatever you do, maybe in your work or even in your relationship, you do things based on your heart, on your true emotions, what you truly feel is the right thing to do, so you go for that. And you are someone who is caring, nurturing, and someone kind and compassionate, helping others, helping the people around you. And you love to do that, you love to take care of people. So maybe in this relationship, you take care of this person, or you love them, shower them with your attention, kindness, compassion. That is the reason they love you, and they love to be with you guys, Leos. And today in your situation, maybe if you are already in a connection, this relationship is moving to the next step. Maybe you are thinking of marriage, or this person is thinking of marriage or commitment. So some positive changes, positive next step is what is happening in this relationship, or even in your work situation. There is some kind of a new opportunity or an offer reaching you, and something which you are really happy about, guys, Leos. Or if you are open for a new relationship, there is a new person, a new love reaching you, and you are going to feel so happy, have that beautiful understanding, compatibility with this person, guys. So I see a new relationship also flowering today for y'all, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship in specific, guys. We picked one card. So it is Two of Swords. So with this card, it just means that you are making some important choices today, something based on truth. So truthful choices, maybe you have a new person approaching you, and you are thinking and deciding maybe what you need to do, whether this person, whether this connection will work for you. So you have experience, and in your heart of hearts, you know what will be the right thing, and you are making a honest decision today, guys. So something based on truth, and something which you cannot do otherwise. So something which you cannot avoid or escape from. So you are making some important decision today. Maybe if you are already in a connection, again you are making some important truthful choices today, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Six of Swords in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe if you were facing some difficult situation in your career, maybe some lawsuit or some litigation. Things will, change, guys. Things will resolve and everything will be back to normal. That is what I see, guys, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card here. It says all that glitters. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe in your situation, in your relationship, the circumstance calls for you to see the truth, the genuine truth behind what this person is speaking or what they are showing you, guys. The need to see beyond the superficial. Maybe sometimes we try to impress people and we we act or behave in such a way that is not true to our true nature. So we add more drama and we make ourselves more appealing to the other person. We try to hide behind that sparkle and shine. And also sometimes we fail to see the true nature or the truth in that person when we often go for glitz and glamour, guys, which is so desirable. So we often miss the people who are truly genuine towards us. So it is time to look beyond the surface. That is what this card is about, beyond the mask, to see the essence of that other person and who that person is, not what he or she can give you. That is what is important, guys, the true essence of that person. So only if you connect with that true essence, with that truth, you are going to be able to truly connect with that other person. So you should not think of what this person can do for you. You should see what they are truly. So this is the time for you to see them with your heart. Let go of that artificial shine and sparkle that you see that is visible to you, and go for that authentic shine, what they are truthfully in their heart of hearts. So this may be your energy or that person's energy, guys. Maybe you are trying to hide something about yourself or they are trying to hide something about themselves. So you need to go for truth. That is what this card is about, guys. Genuinity, authenticity, that is the card for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is fair, brown and trembling gifts. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, you need not accept the fate what other people have allotted for you. You need to overcome your shyness and all that you have done, all that you have faced for this person, that humiliation and whatever pain you have endured. It has brought you something today, some positive changes today, and you need not accept what other people think of you, and you need not value the people who do not value you or respect you. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who protect you, who respect you, and who will fight for you and search for you if you are not there. So you need to be with people who are there with you no matter what, and who love you for what you are and respect you genuinely, guys. So that is what this card is about. So who value you the most and who love you the most. And so even within your family or close friend circle, people really envy you. They are jealous of your gifts or the way things are in your situation. And you need to understand that your good fortune or gifts or whatever positive things you possess has been given to you, and it is your gift to enjoy, guys. You need not give away this happiness to someone else, because they may not realize its worth and they may not enjoy the fruits of your rewards, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who truly respect you and care for you, and you need not listen or respect to people who just see you as someone who can bear everything, who can take all humiliation, and you should not let others to use you. That is what this card is about, guys, and that is the meaning of this card. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.